Inkproducts.com has now released its newest refill kit for the 950, the HP 950 and 932 cartridges. Also, now you can fill the new HP 711 cartridges used in their wide format T120 printer. This video will cover all those cartridges. Now, like a lot of my videos, I always make a little box to hold my ink so I don't accidentally knock it over. You're going to get a special drill size, so you're going to drill a little hole to put our little fill plugs in. The reason why we're using fill plugs is because we found out it's the best way to do it. You can get the maximum amount of ink in there when putting the plug, and we're going to show you in the video how to do it. You're going to get everything in our kit, the extended syringes for filling, so you can go right to the bottom of the ink bottle. Now we're going to give you a vacuum syringe, and you're going to vacuum out all the air so you can get the maximum amount of ink in there. The tip is going to go right in. Now you're going to pull up. It's going to draw air out, and the bag inside the cartridge is going to collapse, so you get the maximum amount of ink in that cartridge. That's all you need to do. Now, every time you're going to go to fill it, you want to vacuum out that air. Now, we're going to be drilling the hole and filling the cartridge. We're going to show you how to make the hole in the cartridge with the drill and how to fill it. So, we're going to start off with the HP 711 cartridge. It's a cyan, but they all fill the same. 950s, 932s, 51s, 933s, they'll all fill exactly the same. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drill it through the bottom, and you're going to measure off 1.25 inches from the edge. I'll zoom down so you can see this. Right there. You want to make a little mark there, or put your finger there, and then this way you're going to put the hand drill, just a little hand drill, and it's going to make the hole the exact size needed for the plug. And this way, when you go to fill them up the next time, you just remove the plug. But now we're getting the maximum amount of ink in that cartridge. Okay, we're all through. We got the hole. There you go. Just clean it off a little bit. Now what we're going to do is fill the syringe up with the ink. We're going to put as much ink in that cartridge as we can. It'll be way more ink than you got with the cartridge when you bought it. Now I want to point this out. Those are long 3-inch tip, but you don't want to go all the way into the bottom, because you got to be careful. There is a vacuum bag inside, so you don't want to make sure you don't want to poke a hole in that. Just go in a little ways and fill it up. Okay, now we just filled it up. Now we're going to supply you with these little plugs. They'll go right in that hole. And you just have to remove them next time and fill them up. You need 2 sets of cartridges to erase the error codes. So you're going to keep swapping. We always have set A and set B, and then when A says it's empty, we take that one out or depleted, and then we put the other one in. Just keep rotating the drill and use that to help push the plugs in. Now, removing that plug, you're best off using a paper towel in your fingers and pulling it up, because it's a tight fit. It's got to be so it doesn't leak. Little paper towel, believe it or not, that helps. It comes right out. There again, put the plug in and use the handle of the drill to push it down in there firmly. There you go. There. That's how simple it was to fill the cartridges. These are better than refillable cartridges. We've tried them all on the market. They all fail. They don't work. Using the HP cartridges, you get less error codes, and it works perfect. All right, now I'm going to show you something. This is the 932 and 933. It's a smaller cartridge. So we're going to change where we put the 1/2 inch over and then put the hole at the 1/2 inch mark. It's just a smaller cartridge, so you just have to move it. but they all operate exactly the same way. Putting the plug in. So that, in this video we covered the 950, 951, 932, 933, the new HP 711 cartridges. And there again, you always need two sets of cartridges. And they can be the HP starter set and another standard set.